So you work in manufacturing. Could you tell us what manufacturing is, please, Richard?
Manufacturing is the process of making a product from start to finish for a customer.
What does an average day look like for you at the moment then, Richard, in your job?
I come into work at 7:30, and then I will either finish the job I was working on the previous day or find out what needs doing and then work on that.
And what parts of the manufacturing process do you personally get involved in?
I personally get involved in the wooden frame parts, so making the dome top, putting all the speaker in and the shelves and things like that.
What do you love about your job?
I love the active part because it's like a gym, but it really helps like with your state of mind as well, because it gets you out and about and you're not in a dark gloomy corner somewhere reading all day. You're active, you're enjoying yourself.
Can you tell us a bit more about what an apprenticeship is and what's involved in it?
An apprenticeship is an alternative decision to college. It basically just means that instead of going and sitting in a classroom for 2-3 days a week, you'll be working full time and learning practically instead of like paper.
And what qualifications do you study towards as part of your apprenticeship?
As part of my apprenticeship, I am studying cabinet making and I am about to finish level 2, but I've had the option to go to level 3, which I'm going to do.
Fantastic, good news, good decision as well. And do you get paid while you're doing your apprenticeship?
Yes. Yeah.
How did you find out about this apprenticeship, and could you tell us a little bit about the recruitment process when you joined Sound Leisure?
I found out about the apprenticeship through the careers advisor at school and my RM teacher, and the process was quite simple. All I had to do was write an email with like who I was and why I wanted to work there and get the apprenticeship, and then I got an email back asking me to come in for an interview. So we arranged a time, and then I came and did an interview, and then found out I got the job a week later.
And if people want to find out more about working at Sound Leisure, where can they find out more information?
They can always go to the Leeds Manufacturing Festival.
In their website, excellent. Yeah, that's a really good place to look. Where do you see yourself in the future, Richard?
In the future, I see myself doing mostly what I'm doing now, woodworking, but at a higher level with more accuracy and precision.
Excellent. Final question for you before we go. What makes you happy?
Getting up and about, being active, and just when I get the job right.